Paint with Simone. Horse World. In a world where dreams take flight. A troop of horses, dazzling and bright. Open this book, and let your imagination unfurl. You're about to explore the world, pearl by pearl. Coloring book by Simone P. Once upon a time, in a land where magic springs, lived horses of all shapes, colors, and beings. From the whispering grasslands to the towering mountain peak. Each has a tale to tell, each has a secret to leak. Andalusian's silky mane, Friesian's imposing stance. Fjord's resilient spirit, Appaloosa's entrancing dance. Arabian's swift speed, Belgian's sturdy build. Dartmoor's tiny trot, each tale will be fulfilled. Let's journey with them, from dawn till moon's gleam. For in the world of horses, life is but a dream. So pick up your colors, let your imagination fly. For the horses are calling, under the wide, open sky. First, we meet Andalusian. With the coat as white as snow. From the vibrant lands of Spain, where warm winds blow. Welcome, little artist. He greets with a neigh. With your vibrant colors, paint your day away. The Friesian horse gallops in elegant and grand. From the Dutch meadows, a far-off land. Paint my long mane as dark as night. In this world of ours, you're the guiding light. Here comes Fjord, sturdy and blonde. From Norway's cliffs, of which he's fond. My stripes are unique, paint them if you please. Let's make memories, just like the sea breeze. See the Appaloosa, dotted and bright. From America's vast plains, bathed in sunlight. With your brush, add hues to my spotted coat. In this coloring journey, you're our little boat. Ah, the Arabian horse, swift and lean. From the arid deserts, where mirages are seen. Capture my speed, in colors and swirls. In our story, you're the pearl. Now meet the Belgian, strong and kind. From Belgium's farms, his tail unwinds. With strokes so gentle, paint my tail. Your art is magic, let it set sail. Here prances Dartmoor, petite and spry. From England's green hills beneath the sky. Color my trot, lively and small. In our grand story, you enthrall. The Hungarian warm blood, fierce and proud. From Hungary's heart, he neighs aloud. My spirit is fiery, capture it with hues. In this world of colors, you're the muse. The Dutch warm blood arrives, with trot so neat. From the Netherlands, he's truly a treat. Paint my elegance in colors bold. In the horse's realm, let your art unfold. Marwari prances in, ears so unique. From India's plains, his story we seek. Draw my twists and turns, let them shine. With every stroke, you make our world divine. Here is the knapstrupper, with spots of delight. From Denmark's lands, under the moonlight. Color my polka dots, vibrant and wild. Through this journey, you're nature's child. Meet the mini horse, tiny yet spry. From America's heartland, under the blue sky. Don't let my size fool you, he says with a grin. With your brush, let the magic spin. The miniature donkey trots in with glee. From Mediterranean coasts, as charming as can be. Paint my furry coat, soft and warm. Your colors bring life, they transform. Here comes the Morgan, small but robust. From New England's farms, a horse you can trust. With your colors, capture my might. In this tale of horses, you're the shining light. Mustang gallops in, wild and free. From America's west, as proud as can be. Paint my spirit, untamed and bright. Your strokes are magic, filled with light. Orloff Trotter enters, from lands so grand. From Russia's vastness, across the sand. Color my stride, strong and neat. With your magic touch, make my tale complete. This is the paint horse, a canvas so grand. From America's heartland, with patterns so unplanned. My coat's a mystery, waiting to be told. With your colors, let the story unfold. Quarter horse canters in, agile and swift. From the western frontier, a true gift. Paint my speed, in hues so bright. In our world, you bring the light. Here comes the Shire, sturdy and tall. From England's pastures, he stands over all. With your colors, tell my tale. In this journey, you set sail. Swedish warm blood arrives, sleek and fine. From Sweden's meadows, where sun does shine. Capture my grace, in colors so grand. In the world of horses, you make a stand. The Tennessee walking horse strides in, with gait so smooth. From the southern plains, he's in the groove. Color my walk, calm and steady. With your magic strokes, always be ready. Thoroughbred races in, fast and light. From England's racecourses, a breathtaking sight. Capture my speed, with hues so bold. In our tale of horses, your art is gold. Welsh cob trots in, sturdy and sprightly. From Wales' green valleys, lovely and brightly. Paint my trot, lively and bright. With every stroke, you bring delight. The Friesian returns, with mane so wavy. From Dutch landscapes, where life is gravy. Add more color to my long, flowing mane. In this story of horses, you've much to gain. Finally, Clydesdale lumbers in, large and strong. From Scotland's highlands, where he belongs. With your colors, paint my might. You've made our world a wondrous sight. Across this grand globe, where horses glide. With hearts vast as oceans, there are confide. Their hoofbeats whisper to the wind. In their company, true delight, we're destined to find. Oh, horses, horses, friends so fine. Your spirit, your strength, forever shine. Running wild, running free. In our hearts, you'll always be. They carry us through sun and storm. In their company, we feel warm. With their manes flowing, oh so bright. Under the moon or sun's light. Oh, horses, horses, friends so dear. With you, there's nothing we fear. Your hoofbeats, a lullaby. Under the vast, starry sky. So, here's to horses, true and bold. Their tales of friendship, forever told. With every stroke, every hue. We color their world, and they color ours too. Did you hear the horse's whisper? Did you feel its tender nuzzle? You've painted their world, added colors to their hustle. With each stroke, you've spun a tale. In the magical world of horses, you did not fail.